We can do. Richard Fallon has a question. What is the strangest autograph you've been asked to sign? Maybe the strangest place you've had to sign?
Yeah.
Tell us. I should have read that first, shouldn't I?
Well, I can't remember. There's too many strange places I have signed.
Really?
But I remember one. I remember one time when we were with the national team. We were in Bosnia, and we were doing a walk for the street, and there is a few people asking money for a charity, and the people was offering any possible toys, bikes and teddies, everything. And one little girl, she has not parents, she was helping to reach money because she was inside of these places. I don't know the name in English. Well, they look after the kids. They have no parents.
An orphanage.
Yeah, orphanage. And she only had one toy for her, one teddy. And when she saw me, she wanted me to sign her teddy. I was very shocked for me. So what I did is, of course, we held this foundation to reach funds, and we sent a toys for every single kid of the orphanage there, and we still are in contact. We write some letters, and we keep sending things to her. It was really shocked for me.
Oh, brilliant! That's lovely, really lovely.